these options are for eco packaging. I'm going to go pick up this paint and then go to my place, and I'll give you a better walkthrough of my place. We are going on a trip. Hi. If you didn't see my last vlog, I got my lips done yesterday, so they are bruised to shit because I took Advil the day before and the day of, because I had my period. I mean, I always bruise, don't get me wrong. I just got like a tiny bit. They look much bigger than they're going to be. I didn't get my bottom lip done, just my top lip. They are looking much bigger than they're actually gonna look. I've got like half of a syringe put on my top, like really not that much. Just a little plump up because I felt like it. And I had booked the appointment and I just went. So we're gonna cover this up so you don't have to look at bruising. This is my lip color, Patrick Ta in She's Bold. I'm also gonna put on this Laneige lip sleeping mask because my lips are pretty dry, and filler sometimes makes your lips very dry when they're healing. If you saw my story this morning, I cut myself shaving. I switched to like a safety razor because they're more like eco-friendly, and I just like can't use it. I just cut myself every time I shave. I was getting laser hair removal. I had done it for a while. I'd done my underarms and my legs and my bikini. It was going very well. Like I'm pretty much done my underarms. I still have like a few, like it doesn't work 100%, you know. It's not perfect, which is fine. But my legs, I like stopped on my third session because of Corona. So I got this Kenzie. It is an at-home laser hair removal device, and we're gonna use it. We're gonna use it today on camera. Obviously, laser hair removal is very expensive. Spent a lot of money getting laser hair removal, and this, and you have to book an appointment, you have to go, and especially right now, and if you're living in a household, like it depends where you are in the world with the restrictions and everything, but if you're living in a household where like you literally don't want to, you know, you're living with older people or whatever, like this is a great way to still get your laser hair removal at home, and it's cost effective because you only have to pay for the machine and then you get to do it yourself, which is great. Obviously, I still have to shave. I cut myself with my razor. I used to get waxing. Waxing really hurts, and it's something you have to get all the time. So I actually stopped waxing because it was expensive, and I felt like I was just like going all the time. I would have rather shaved. So I got laser hair removal, but you know, this is really great for me because I can upkeep without having to go and pay money to upkeep. So I've been using this for like a month. Just over a month, and I've already started seeing results. You're supposed to use it once a week for 12 weeks, but you start seeing results in like 2 to 3 weeks. I do have a code for $50 off your first Kenzie thing, so that will be linked on the screen, or the code will be on the screen here. Okay, so to prep, you wanna make sure that you have nothing on your skin. You wanna shave and exfoliate before. You wanna make sure you have no artificial tan on, and girl, I'm so pale. I mean, actually this camera makes me look a little more tanned than I am. I am very, very pale, especially my legs. So it's you know, you want to go through the same process you would when you're doing any sort of like laser hair removal. And then after you do it, you obviously want to make sure you use sunscreen. You can use this on so many different parts of your body. They say upper lip down though, not near your eyeballs. And obviously before anything, you want to test treat areas before you do it. So I'm just gonna put you down here. So you just go like this. And honestly, it doesn't hurt at all. I'm just gonna keep talking while I do this. Just like laser hair removal, where you have, you know, more hair, might be a little more painful, but since I've already done my legs, it's really not that painful. I just find kind of near the ankles is a little hot. You can also do exactly like the professionals do and draw lines on your legs to make sure that you're doing like all the right areas. I didn't actually do my whole leg when I was doing professional laser hair removal. I was just doing half leg. So who's this product good for? This product is really good if you were already getting laser hair removal, but due to COVID, you can't get it anymore, like me. If you want to dip your toes into laser hair removal, I think it's really, really great. Personally, wasn't a fan of waxing. I obviously am not a great shaver, and I forget and I'm lazy to shave So I'm almost done my leg, which I haven't flinched once. Like literally doesn't hurt. I'm pretty much done my leg. I'm just gonna do here one more time. I think I started on the and Kenzie is IPL, an IPL machine. So that's if you want to know what type of hair removal it is, it's IPL. I honestly like might do my arms. I might just do my whole body. Anyway, to find out more about Kenzie and to check it out for yourself, this is also a great gift for someone. I will leave everything in the down bar for you. Thank you so much to Kenzie for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna finish up my legs. I will just keep you updated with my process in my vlogs. So I know I didn't really mention it before, but in like another maybe 4 weeks or so, I will keep you updated with how it is. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm just gonna do my armpit right now because I wanted to show you. Okay, I can definitely feel the heat more on my armpit. My legs, like, I feel like because I did karate, my legs are just like numb. Okay. And then this one like doesn't really even have any hair left, but it has a few. All right, Sharon's FaceTime me, I gotta go. Okay, I have to go to my home and check on some things, so we're gonna go there. I just threw on my Aritzia Super Puff. I bought a matcha, I got one delivered, and then it got here and I realized I forgot to put almond milk, so I couldn't drink it.
Very nice. Your house is big.
Yeah.
That's all. Is that a single or is that a semi?
This?
Yeah, it's a single house. Like a
No, it's all apartments.
detached?
5 apartments.
oh,
here.
5 top part comes out. Not the,
And then this is upstairs bathroom. So vanity, this is gonna be dark wood. That obviously needs a sink and everything. We have a little niche and the shower. Packaging. I'm just on a meeting with Sharon. These options are for eco packaging because we're gonna have to have, if someone buys one thing, if someone buys 2+ things, we're gonna have to have options. It can't be the same thing, unless you just want to fuck the 1 to 2 items and just have the 2+ items. Like that's just what we have. I'm happy with that too. My bruising is pretty bad still, and then I got some pimples, but I'm on my period, so that's pretty normal. And the MC110 takes a while to kick in, but I have to go pick up the paint. And then I'm gonna show you my bathroom. I showed you on my phone yesterday, but my contractor was there. My boyfriend's mom was there, so I wasn't gonna like whip in my camera and be like, vlogging everyone. I'm going to go pick up this paint and then go to my place, and I'll give you a better walkthrough of my place. Bodysuit is from Aritzia and pants are also from Aritzia. I'm wearing the Melinas like usual. I did get the Melinas in long, and I got them in a size 00 because I wanted to see if the 00 would be better because I have the 0. Took content this morning and just did meetings. I know you saw me on the packaging meeting. Sharon and I are trying to figure out our packaging. Eco-friendly, minimal, cost-effective, but still beautiful. Very difficult. I'm gonna put a coat on and I'm gonna go. And my mask is from Sheertex, although I do want to get one of those more like pointy masks that sits off your face because I don't want a mask touch my face anymore. It's not good for my skin. This is the paint for the bathroom. It's called Bone. Okay, this is gonna be my closet area for downstairs. So they're all gonna be doored and mirrored. This is from my old place. And there's new pot lights up here. And then Not sure what I'm gonna do here, but it looks really good. My floors, obviously I showed you last time, look great. This is the bathroom. Still needs some work, but so you have the wainscoting along the bottom with a little niche. It shows up really pink on camera. It doesn't look pink in real life. And then the floors, guys. The floors are where the magic is. Look at that. Stunning. Love that. And I think that looks really nice with this. I think it's just because this light is really orange. But it's more like a beige kind of color. So it needs one more coat. And then the ceiling as well needs to be done. But it looks really good. This is the kitchen. Well, getting there. These are my little lights I got from an Etsy shop called Light Cookie. So 2 will go there and then 1 will go there. I got my fan in. That thing is still beeping. And dishwasher, sink, stove, fridge. And then let's go upstairs. So we have vinyl on the floor, and we put vinyl on the floor because it was going into the bathroom, so you can get vinyl wet and it's totally fine. Here, this is my kitchen. I think I explained my kitchen in a previous vlog. This is actually gonna be dark wood, so we bought the IKEA vanity, and then a cover goes on it and it's all dark wood. Got my faucet, a little wall niche, and then we have 2 lights, and then the mirror is gonna go right there. Shower is in. That looks yellow, but it's just because of the lighting. It's actually just pure white. We had a little fiasco with this stone because I found this stone in the garbage. And you can see right here when they were fabricating it, there was a big cut or a big crack, but they are just gonna cut a new piece. So this is the shower curb, and then it's also gonna be the sink. So that's gonna be purple here. I love that stone, how beautiful. And I found it in the garbage. Well, I love my wall niches because I want to have as much storage as possible. Yeah, that's pretty much the update. Need to get the closet done. That's my bedroom closet. And, oh, I'm going to show you the pantry. So this was under the stairs. It had nothing, and now it's a pantry. Lots of space, and then there's this door opening. I think it's gonna look really good. Ah, happy Sunday. It is so cold outside. Oh my God, I just got in from being outside and it is so cold. My hands are like frozen. We are going on a trip. That is the first time I've said that in almost a year. Not anywhere crazy. We're just going to an Airbnb in Muskoka. I was supposed to go to a bunch of Revolve trips this year, and that obviously didn't happen. So Revolve is sending us to this beautiful little Airbnb. I know some people, they're kind of doing like, everyone's doing different things depending on where they live. And it's like a drivable location. So I know some people are like staying in hotels and stuff, but just because Toronto is specifically in more of a, we're like not, like nothing's open, we thought an Airbnb would just be better because it's obviously private and we can pretty much do what we're doing here, but there. Yeah, I'm very excited to, just a bit of a change of scenery. I've been in Toronto for the whole year, and yeah, I think it's really exciting. So I have to pack, which I wasn't good at packing before, and I'm definitely not good at packing now. I'm gonna warm up, and then I'm gonna start packing, at least start kind of like thinking of outfits, because obviously I have to take content on this trip. Plus I have like my normal work to do. Plus I want to take some uncle content, so. Oh my God, it's so cold. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm first gonna warm up. Sasha brought me this suitcase because all my suitcases are being used. So I'm gonna use that. And I'm just gonna kind of lay out all the things that I know I really want to bring, and then I'm gonna go into outfits, but I'm just gonna do like sweats and stuff to start. I also got Gymshark stuff for the first time. I'll try that on in a little and show you, maybe tomorrow, depending on how I feel. But the overall consensus is it's amazing. I just got the wrong size at the top, but I'll show you tomorrow. But I got gray shorts and these are the shorts and sports bra, and then I got a brown. Or, you know what, I'll just insert clips, but I got brown. As you can tell, I'm very organized here. I have lots of space for my clothes, so that, you know, it's very easy to find everything.